Alloy wheels, chrome, powder coat, gloss black. Not every wheel cleaner is safe for every finish. Use the wrong formula and you'll etch the surface, strip the coating, or leave white residue baked on by the sun. I ranked 7 of the top wheel cleaners on Amazon by cleaning power, safety on coated wheels, and value per ounce. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the Blackmagic Intense Foam Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This 22-ounce cleaner features a high foaming formula that lifts dirt, grime, and brake dust without harsh scrubbing. The color-changing technology shows when the product is working, turning from white as it breaks down contaminants. The formula is safe on all wheel finishes, including chrome, painted, and powder-coated surfaces. The deep cleaning action reaches into tight spaces between wheel spokes effectively. The 22-ounce size depletes quickly on multiple vehicles needing full cleaning. Still, the affordable price makes refilling practical for regular maintenance. For budget-conscious owners maintaining single vehicles, Blackmagic is a smart choice. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray. This 16-ounce cleaner is purpose-formulated for gloss, chrome, painted, powder-coated, and clear-coated wheels. The advanced high-cling solution penetrates deep into wheel surfaces to dissolve embedded brake dust and road grime. The foaming action clings longer than competing products, giving more time for breakdown. Chemical Guys engineered this specifically to avoid harsh acidic formulas that damage finishes. The smaller 16-ounce bottle requires more frequent purchases than larger alternatives. However, the premium formula delivers superior cleaning results on neglected wheels. For owners wanting professional-level cleaning, Chemical Guys is dependable. At number 3, we have the Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This 24-ounce spray cleaner delivers powerful cleaning action on even the dirtiest wheels, while remaining gentle enough for all finishes. The deep cleansing agents penetrate hard-to-reach areas, dislodging stubborn dirt, grease, tar, and brake dust. The formula works safely on factory and aftermarket wheel options without etching or damage. The larger 24-ounce size provides more value than smaller bottles for regular users. The generic formula is less specialized than purpose-built wheel cleaners for specific finishes. Still, the excellent value and broad compatibility make it practical. For budget detailers who need versatile cleaning power, Armor All is practical. At number 4, we have the P and S Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. This professional-grade 1-gallon concentrate delivers powerful, non-acidic cleaning without damaging any wheel finish. The formula foams up dramatically to lift contaminants including brake dust, oil, dirt, and light corrosion. P&S engineered this specifically for professional detailing shops and serious enthusiasts. The larger gallon size provides economical cost per ounce compared to smaller bottles. The concentrate requires mixing before use, adding preparation time compared to ready-to-spray options. However, the durability and professional results justify the extra effort. For serious enthusiasts and professionals, P and S Brake Buster is the premium choice. At number 5, we have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions All-Wheel Cleaner. This 23-ounce formula combines wheel cleaning with iron contamination removal in one product. The special formulation turns purple as it works, showing active cleaning and loosening of stubborn contaminants. The dual action approach removes both surface dirt and embedded iron particles from wheels and paint. The low odor formula reduces chemical smell during extended detailing sessions. The multi-purpose design is less specialized than single-task cleaners for maximum brake dust removal. Still, the iron removal feature adds genuine value for contaminated surfaces. For owners dealing with iron contamination, Turtle Wax is versatile. Coming up next, we have the Koch-Chemie Alkali Wheel Cleaner. This professional-grade 1-liter wheel cleaner features a high pH formula specifically designed for aggressive brake dust and dirt removal. The Alkali chemistry dissolves stubborn contamination without irritating skin during application. Koch-Chemie engineered this for professional detailers who demand maximum cleaning power. The larger 1-liter size offers extended use compared to typical spray bottles. The high pH formula requires careful handling and proper ventilation during use. However, the professional-grade results justify the additional precautions. For detailing professionals, Koch-Chemie is the ultimate choice. The last one on our list is the Chemical Guys Sprayable Diablo Wheel Cleaner. This 32-ounce formula is safe on all wheel and rim finishes, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. The sprayable design eliminates mixing and preparation, getting you cleaning immediately. The powerful formula tackles stubborn brake dust and road grime effectively on neglected wheels. The 32-ounce size provides value between smaller bottles and gallon concentrate. The premium Chemical Guys pricing is higher than budget alternatives on a per-ounce basis. Still, the convenience and proven performance make it worth the investment. For anyone wanting premium results without preparation, Chemical Guys. Diablo is ideal. Regular wheel cleaning maintains both appearance and finish protection. Choose based on your detailing frequency and brake dust severity.